Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your photo background with AI in super realistic way. And trust me, it's really easy, no complicated software and just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini in your browser. And if you are not logging in, just sign it with your Google account. So you will get the page like this. And once you're inside, just go to tools icon, this one, and then tap on create images. This feature is powered by Nano Banana. This is the feature that lets us edit or generate images with AI. Now just upload the photo where you want to change the background. And then just upload a new background image like a beach photo or a city view or anything like this, and then just type a clear prompt, for example like this. For example like this, and then after that just he generates this one like this. As you can see, your background of your photo just replace instantly like this. Next, you can also just replace the backgrounds of your photo with describe the background with a prompt only. So you don't need to upload a background, just tell the AI what you want. For example, just type a prompt like this. Like this. It's so realistic, right? And I think the result is very good. And okay, so that's how you can easily change the photo background using Gemini AI. It's super quick and super realistic. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.